Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. Here it is, bruh, here it is. Listen, I ain't gonna hold you, I'm excited, you know what I'm saying? SneakerCon Dallas is this weekend, I'm super excited. I've never been to Dallas before, I've only been to Houston. Houston was amazing, I was at that SneakerCon as well. Just wanna shout out everybody who's been in the comments saying you're gonna be at Dallas. I'm super excited to meet you guys, get y'all in the vlog. Hopefully y'all show love, man, cause I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know I'm from Cleveland, alright? I am from Cleveland. Cleveland, show love, man. Cleveland was amazing. Can y'all top that? Can y'all really top that though? Anyways, man, if you read the title, you already know why we're here. We are here so I can show you guys how to go about getting the Air Jordan 1 Gym Red. Now, just about every big sneaker release here on this channel, I try to do a how to cop, especially when you guys ask me to. Now, I'm not gonna hold you, man. I love getting emails, I love getting DMs from you guys telling me that my videos helps you pick up a sneaker, and that's the reason why I keep these rocking, man. I mean, that's the reason why we here. That's the only reason. So I need you guys to go ahead and slap that like button, man, so we can get some love around here. Also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, man. The grind is still going. TMC, the marathon will still continue. We're trying to get 100,000 for the end of the year, and I'm not gonna give up, man. That's on dog. Also, guys, my Twitter and Instagram is down below in the description, as it always is. Make sure you head over there and give me a follow. I appreciate that as well. Now, listen, before we get into today's video, man, I know we got to get to it, but at the end of the day, I have a huge package here that I want to unbox and show y'all some love real quick, bro. So let's go ahead and open this up. Actually, I don't know why I picked this package up. We always know I gotta over edit mine. I'm sorry, I gotta over edit mine. Here we go, man. There we go. Appreciate it, big dog. I gotta open it now. Let's see what we got in the package, man. I do have like a few unboxings that's coming up, so if you rock with the unboxings on the channel, stay tuned, because I got a lot of stuff that I ordered, and for some reason, man, they just bagged up. Like, all my orders is bagged up, bro. So I got probably gonna do like a huge unboxing haul on just everything instead of breaking it down video by video. Let's see what we got, man. You already know whenever things come with all of, like, you know what I'm saying, the crumbles, that's what I call them, the crumbles, then it's only from one spot. And I'm gonna take this out like away from the camera, because I'm not trying to clean all this up like I had to last time. Here we have it, man. This is the ultimate cleaning kit from Rejuvenator. You guys already know, man, Rejuvenator is undisputedly the best cleaning solution on the planet. Now, I use these guys all the time. I use everything from their sneaker cleaning solution to their water repellent spray, and I wear the water repellent spray like all the time. That's like the stuff you see on Instagram where you spray it on your shoes and you let it sit for about 6 hours, and you see syrup, ketchup, hot sauce and stuff just rolling off, just completely rolling off the sneaker without leaving a single trace. So Rejuvenator sent me over this ultimate cleaning kit because I needed more. As you guys know, I use this like all the time. Inside this cleaning kit, man, let's see what we got, because I know it's a lot of good stuff. So starting off, man, we got the sneaker laundry detergent. Now this here, bro, is used whenever you are cleaning your sneakers and they so beat to the point where you gotta throw them in a washer and you gotta go through it to get it that clean. Instead of just using soap and water, man, they have a whole laundry system cleaning kit for you to use, and it really does work. Here's my favorite, man, that water and repellent spray. This is what I spray on my sneakers. They also got the other kind that comes in a can. You shake it up, spray it, and like I said, you let that sit for like an hour or so, and your shoes are almost indestructible. You know they coming through with that microfiber towel, some shoe horns to make sure whenever you're cleaning your shoes, the toe box is nice and sturdy so you have something to press on. And last but not least, the sneaker cleaning solution, guys. This is what you pour into this collapsible bowl with some water, mix it all together, and clean your sneakers. So if any of you guys want any of these things that I just showed you right here on this channel, make sure you head down below in the description. Rejuvenator is the best cleaning solution. A lot of you guys ask me all the time, what do I use to clean my sneakers? It's Rejuvenator. Nobody else, never will be. Now you can use my discount code SNIPER. You can get 10% off anything on that list, or more importantly, you can get 10% off the sneaker cleaning kit that I just got. Anything on rejuvenator.com. If you use the discount code SNIPER, once you get done checking out, you get 10% off and you save you some ends. Now, as we get back into the video, as you guys know, I did have an early pair of these, man, so I do have the Gym Reds in hand, and it is a shoe that's nice enough for you guys to want to know how to cop. Now, it's no surprise a lot of people are calling these the poor, not for resale Jordan 1s, but at the end of the day, I'm not gonna hold you, it is. But it's a great constellation prize if you ask me. Now, you guys already know the best way to go about getting any sneaker that's gonna be limited, hard to get, or just in any retail stores, 9 times out of 10 is gonna be on your Foot app. So to my people who are new to the Foot apps, I know a lot of you guys are already knowledgeable about it, but for my people who don't know, Foot apps are apps controlled by Foot Locker, Foot Action, Hibbett Sports, Champ Sports, and Finish Line, I believe. I'm sorry if I forgot one, but I think that's all. All these apps are used the same way. You just create your username, password, or email and password. If you already have one, then you just log in and you go to Launch Locator. As soon as you go to Launch Locator, you put in your zip code. Once you put it in your zip code, they're gonna give you like a listing of every store in your area that's selling these Air Jordan 1 Gym Red. You're only able to pick 3 stores if you have 3 stores. Sometimes you don't even have 3. But choose 3 stores or up to 3 stores, and once you're done with that, you just choose your sneaker size, and that's pretty much it. Now what I love about that is, man, it allows you in a press of a button in like probably 5 minutes, if that. You just entered 3 raffles in the middle of like 5 minutes. Super easy. It's not as time consuming as going to the mall, going to 50 different places and trying your luck. Okay, so from your house you just went and applied for 3 Foot Lockers, 3 Foot Actions, 3 Finish Lines. Like, it's really that easy. That is the way I get most of my sneakers. As you guys know, I have a very extensive sneaker collection, but I do not pay resale for anything. I have in the past, okay, for a few things back here, but 98% of this is all retail buys, and I always hit on the sneakers app, or the foot apps, I should say. Now, how you use your foot app to your advantage is every single foot app has a threshold, and after you cross that threshold, you become an MVP member or a VIP member. VIP members get a little bit better treated because you get a higher head start time. Head start time is basically what it sounds like. If a shoe drops at 10 o'clock, your head start time can increase. You can pick your shoe size, and start the raffle as early as 10 minutes before the shoe drops. Like I said, the way you do that, man, is all you have to do is spend. Some stores have different thresholds. Some stores is $250, some stores is $300. But when you think about it, what a phone pause is like $230. Okay, so maybe if you buy a shirt and some shoes, you good for the year. Once you cross that threshold, man, you get you a max head start time at 9 minutes, and then you will just easily go and get that extra 1 minute for your 10-minute head start, and it will really do you justice, because I don't really think there's a way you can hit for a sneaker with a 6-minute head start time. That's what you get normally if you don't want to get the extra minutes in the VIP. But so many people have like multiple accounts. Like one person might have 20 accounts. So for you to win with 6 minutes is almost impossible now. Maybe earlier, like back when this first started, but there's no way possible you win with a 6-minute head start. I'm telling you. Other ways you can get this sneaker is from stores that does not have foot apps, as such as like DTLRs, Jimmy Jazz. I'm guaranteed that they will have this sneaker and they will definitely be selling it. So what I would do is I would call your local store and see what stores are having these and what they're doing about it. Sometimes stores are first come, first serve. Other times, you know, stores are actually doing raffles, in-store raffles, where you go in, put your name on a ticket, old-fashioned style, hand it over, and maybe they'll give you a call back if they win. Last but not least, man, you already know that Sneakers app will have these Saturday morning as always, 10 o'clock, and you can always try to hit for these. My luck with Sneakers app has been pretty good lately, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Yes, I struck out for the off-white joints today. Today the off-white Virgil joints dropped, the running shoe. I forget the name of it. Man, that's tough. That's tough. But anyway, man, yes, I took that L, man, but y'all know your boy Snipe, I've been hot. You know what I'm saying? I've been hot. I can't really complain. I've been good. I hit the Travis Scott 1s. I got the Supreme 14s, which probably a lot of people wasn't going for. But I mean, hey, look, I won. Anyways, guys, yes, man, these drop this weekend, this Saturday, man. I will not be here. I will be in Dallas. But for all my people who are looking for these, they're worth the cop. Now, only thing I have to say about these that aren't, you know, leather quality isn't the best. If you haven't watched my full YouTube review, I will link that down below in the description for you to watch over that. But it is a great overall shoe, and I really hope this video helps a lot of you guys be able to get your pair. If you guys have any questions, or if there's anything I didn't go over, or even if you're confused about anything I said, you can go down below in the description, look at my Instagram and Twitter, DM me any questions, man. I try to get back to everybody as fast as I can, and man, that's just about it, bro. It's super easy this time, super simple. I didn't want to really complicate it more than it had to be. It is your boy Sniper Jones, man. I wish y'all the best of luck. Hopefully y'all are able to hit on these Jordan 1s, because I think it's worth the buck. You know what I'm saying? At only 160, you really can't beat it. Until next time, man, I am your boy Sniper Jones. I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for watching another video. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.